Hello students, welcome back to our computer class after the Puja holidays. Hope all of you have enjoyed the Puja days. And now it's time to start our study. So this is chapter 5 of your computer book. This chapter is formatting in MS Word. MS Word we have already done in chapter 4. By this time you have learned how to type in MS Word. You have learned the use of several shortcut keys. We know how to save a document, how to print a document, how to open a new document. We have learned how to make grammatical correction, how to check the spellings. So in this chapter, we will learn how to make our document attractive and easy to the readers. Making a document attractive and easy to the reader is called formatting. And this chapter is all about that. To explain the concept to you in detail, I have taken a Telekids page. Observe the page, watch the page carefully. You will notice, children, different types, size of alphabets are used. For example, this part, whiz contest. These are thick, dark alphabets. These are called bold alphabets. And after that, watch this. These are simple alphabets used. Suddenly here some colors are used. Some colored alphabets are used. I guess you understand that these colors in the paragraph is used to highlight this part. Again notice here the thickness of this alphabet and this alphabet are not the same. These alphabets, these parts are much darker than this. This is called making the text bold. Again over here, this part, this email ID is written little bit inclined. These alphabets are straight alphabet, isn't? But this mail ID is written in inclined. Inclined means it is written in italics. Watch the writing over here. It is much different than this writing, isn't it? So, all these things you can also do in your text by using of MS Word. Changing the size, changing the color, changing the style, everything I will show you in this chapter. So this is a MS document open. I have typed here hello students, and I want to show you this is the size. You can see here written 11 and an arrow beside this. This part is for setting the size of the alphabets, size of your front. Front means this writing. The size will be set from here. You can see here written 11. 11 is the default front size. If you don't make any change, as soon as you open the document and you start typing, the alphabets will come in size 11. On clicking this arrow, you will get a scale given here. Different numbers are given. Bigger the number, bigger will be the size. I will show you. Say this part, hello students, I want to change the size of this. Let me select the text. I'll click here. Now watch as I move the cursor down to the bigger numbers, the alphabet the writing will also change its size. Notice the change, the increase in size, children. As I move to bigger number, as I scroll down, the size of the alphabet is increasing, and as I move upward, the size of the alphabet is decreasing. Say I want to write, I want to set the size up in this. So I will click on this 28. This is size 28. I'll click on it. The text is of size 28 now. Now after selecting it, if I think again, no, this size has become a little smaller. I want to make it a little more bigger. I will select it again. Say size 48. The text is of size 48 now. Now after typing this, hello students, I want the rest of the text to be in a little bit smaller size. So what I will do, I will go here, I will select a little smaller size, say size 16, and now I will type here, how are you? See here, I have already written here, how are you? And these alphabets are in size 16. So while typing, you somehow forget that what was the size of this alphabet, because the next alphabets you want to be of little bit more smaller size. So what was this size? It will be shown here. Here 16 means this is size 16. Now I want to write it of some smaller size. The default size was 11. I want to choose some smaller size, say size 8. When a size is selected, it is shown over here. You can see here written 8 means the alphabet that will appear next will be of size 8. This part, hope you are safe and healthy at home. This part is written in size 8 and it is much smaller. Now after writing it, again if you are thinking that no, it has become much smaller, I want to make it a little bigger. I want to make it of size 11 or say some little more bigger size, say size 12. So what you can do is, you have selected the text, the part that you want to change the size again now. Select that part, go to size 12, click on size 12. Do you think size 12 will be appropriate for this, or you want little bit bigger size, say size 16 of the same size? How are you, and hope you are safe and healthy at home will be of the same size. So let's click on size 16. This size is changed. So this is all about changing the size, and in our next video we will learn some more interesting things. Till then, goodbye.